Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your GK teacher. In last class we have studied about learning ladder and we completed our question and answer according to the activities, and today we are going to do our chapter 42, brainstorming. Brainstorming means you have to use your brain and solve these puzzles, these questions which are given in this chapter. Let us start. One exercise is given for you. Write the numbers 1 to 12 in such a way the sum along the lines is the same. A number can be used only once. Means you have to use a number only one time from 1 to 12, and you have to fill in the blanks which is given in your book, that circles are given and sums must be a line of a same. Okay, let us start filling, and after the two, one blank is given, a circle serial of 1 at the top. After that you have to write here 12. Okay, and then 6 and 7 is given. Let us add it. 12 plus 1, it will be 13. 13 plus 6, it will be 19. And 19 plus 7, sum is 26. Here 26. Again come on next series 2 and 6. Add it. 6 plus 2, 8. After that one circle is given, you have to fill here 10. Then you have to fill here in last 8. Add it. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24, and plus 2, 26. The sum of this line also 26. Now come on next 8, serial of 8 and 3 which is given at the top. You have to fill, make a circle between it. I think it is left. You have to write here 11, then 4, then 8, and now add these numbers. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18, and 18 plus 8, 26. Here all the sums are 26. You have to fill here after 3, 11, 4, then 8. Okay. Now come on next line which is given at the top 1 and 9, and between it is 11 already filled and 5 is given. Let us count these numbers. 11 plus 5, it will be 16. 16 plus 1, it will be 17. And 17 plus 9, it will be 26 here also. Okay. All the sums are equal and numbers are filled. You can count and write here, and that serials are okay. Firstly, I will tell you again. 2, then 12, then 9 and 3 is given. Now complete it. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. And 17 plus 9, it will be 26 here also. All the sums are completed. Recheck that all are correct or not. After 2 you have to fill 12. After 6 you have to fill 10. After 10 you have to fill 8. After 8 you have to fill 4, and middle make a circle and fill here 11, and that all sums are completed and all sums are coming 26. Okay. Now come on next B. Exercise number B is given in your book. An instruction is given that circle the odd one out in each set. Sets are the words are given here and you have to circle that words which is odd. Okay. Let us start. First set is given Abhinav Bindra, Vishwanath Anand and Katrina Kaif and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Abhinav Bindra, Vishwanathan Anand, Katrina Kaif and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You have to circle Katrina Kaif because Abhinav Bindra, Vishwanathan Anand and Mahendra Singh Dhoni are a player. All are players and Katrina Kaif is actor. Okay, so she is odd one. Now come next two set of given here rupee, franc, lira and India. Set is given rupee, franc, lira. These three are the currency, name of the currency, and India is the name of a country. You have to circle India here. This is odd one. Okay. Now come on. Third, Neil, Thomas, France and Sheen. It is given Neil, Thomas and Sheen. All three are the name of the rivers, and France is the name of country. You have to circle here France. This is the name of a country. Now come on. Fourth, parakeet, penguin, kiwi and ostrich. All the name of given which is all the name of birds, but penguin, kiwi and ostrich cannot fly, but parakeet can fly. You have to circle parakeet. Okay. Now come on. Fifth, dengue, malaria, virus and jaundice. This set is given dengue, malaria and jaundice. These three are the name of the disease, and virus is different from these. You can circle here virus because virus is the cause of disease. Virus is the cause of disease. It is not name of the disease. Okay. You have to circle virus here. Now come on next. Sixth, MS Dhoni, golf, archery and hockey. MS Dhoni, golf, archery and hockey. Golf, archery and hockey is the name of game, and MS Dhoni is the name of a player. You have to circle here MS Dhoni. Okay. This is completed. Now come on. Exercise number C. It is given fill in the blanks to complete the analogies. Fill in the blanks with the complete analogies. Okay. First is given car driver, means car is driven by driver, and aeroplane pilot. You can write here pilot. Second, fruit, fruits orchard, and grapes, you can write here grape wine yard. Third, shoes feet, shoes wear in feet, and cap you can wear on head, you have to write here head. Fourth, book paper, book is made up of paper, and cup glass, you can write here glass. Fifth, smelling, smelling with nose, and sight with eyes, you have to write here eye. Sixth, skin animal, and bark of a tree, you have to write here tree. Let us revise it. Car, driver, aeroplane, pilot, fruits, orchard, grapes, grape wine yard, shoes, feet, cap, head, book, paper, cup, glass, smelling, nose, sight, eye, skin, animal, bark, tree. That's all for today. You have to complete all exercise in your book of chapter 42, and next class we will do our chapter 43, puzzle time. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.